Welcome children. Children, the topic coming up next in this video is treatment of manager's commission. Again, how we calculate it and how we'll be showing it while preparing final accounts. So children, let's start the computation of manager's commission and its treatment. Students, we move back a bit into history. In class 11th, we have studied the computation of manager's commission, taking the case before charging commission and after charging commission. Children, you all are well aware with the formula. In case of before charging, it is net profit into rate upon 100, and in case of after charging, it is net profit into rate upon 100 plus rate. So children, after the formula, we should be knowing how to record its journal entries. Children, at the time of preparing financial statements, the adjusting entry for manager's commission being a charge will be commission account debit to outstanding manager's commission. It is based on the principle debit all expenses for nominal account and credit the increase in liability for outstanding manager's commission. Then children, we have the closing entry profit and loss account debit to commission. Children, like we studied interest on loans treatment, here also we assume कि जब हमने अपना पीएल अकाउंट बनाया हमें मैनेजर को कमीशन देना था बट हम कमीशन देना भूल गए. एज अ रिजल्ट हमारे पीएल में जो नेट प्रॉफिट आ रहा है इट इज अ बिट इन्फ्लेटेड, तो वी नीड टू करेक्ट दैट फर्स्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी प्रिपेयर आवर पीएल अकाउंट पुटिंग बाय नेट प्रॉफिट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, मैनेजर्स कमीशन ऑन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ पीएल, and then we'll be getting the correct net profit. Children, this net profit will now be transferred to PL appropriation account, that is by PL net profit brought down, followed by children in the same manner as we have studied postings in the previous lectures. Interest on drawings will be credited, interest on capital, salary and partners commission if any as per deed will be debited. The children answer will be divisible profits in the usual manner, which will be divided as per their profit sharing ratio and transferred to capital or current account in case it is fluctuating method or fixed method respectively. Now children, for better understanding, I have framed a question so that you people can understand its application. Children, the question is same like we discussed in the previous video. Ram and Lakshman partners with capital of 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Partnership deed provides interest on capital at 9% per annum. Same way, salary rupees 4,000 per month to Ram. Commission to Lakshman at 10% on net profits. Children, deliberately it has been written in bold letters because you need to understand this very properly. Then commission to the manager at 10%. Children, per annum word won't be there generally, but अगर होता है तो आप confuse मत होइएगा. Same तरीका है calculate करने का. ऑन नेट प्रॉफिट्स, बच्चों कमीशन के लिए बिफोर चार्जिंग भी लिख के आ सकता है क्वेश्चन में, आफ्टर चार्जिंग भी हो सकता है. बाई चांस क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं लिखा तो बच्चे आप बिफोर चार्जिंग अप्लाई करोगे एंड नॉट आफ्टर चार्जिंग. देन दे विड्रू रुपीज 20,000 ईच एनुअली एंड इंटरेस्ट इज चार्ज एट 4%. अगेन चिल्ड्रन, फॉर कीपिंग इट ईजी मैंने पर एनम का कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें नहीं लिया है. Then children, it is written net profit for the year before any of the above items. बच्चों इसका मतलब होता है इनमें से आपने किसी की भी अकाउंटिंग आज तक नहीं की है और आपका प्रॉफिट जो आ रहा है दैट इज 3,30,000. इसका मतलब ये जो मैनेजर की कमीशन को आपको पीएल में लिखना चाहिए था, इवन दिस वी हैव नॉट डेबिटेड इन पीएल. सो व्हेन वी हैव नॉट डेबिटेड कमीशन इन पीएल अकाउंट, the profit which is coming is a bit inflated profit क्योंकि हमने एक एक्सपेंस को वहां से omit कर दिया. तो children, let us understand how to calculate commission, how to record its journal entry and thereafter the postings. Students, have a glance look to the calculation. If it is before charging commission, net profit 3,30,000 as given in the question into rate that is 10 upon 100. बच्चों ये 33,000 आएगा. Then if it is the case of after charging, 3,30,000 that is net profit given in the question into 10 that is percent upon 110. Children, you have studied this upon 110 हम क्यों करते हैं, 11th में आपने पढ़ा होगा. बच्चे ये आ जाएगा 30,000 रुपीज. Then children, the correct amount of net profit, अगर आप बिफोर चार्जिंग का केस अप्लाई करते हो तो 330 minus 33,000, correct net profit is 2,97,000. And if we apply the case of after charging commission, correct net profit will be 3,30,000 minus 30,000 equals to 3 lakh. So children, I hope so the calculation part is clear. Next we proceed with the journal entries. So children, again as I said, manager's commission is a charge. First and foremost, we'll do the accounting for charge, then we'll do the accounting for items of appropriation. So children, the first entry is commission account debit to outstanding manager's commission, debit all expenses, credit the increase in liability. Then children, in the both cases we have seen, as per before charging it was coming 33,000 and after charging it was coming 30,000. तो बच्चों जो भी क्वेश्चन में होगा अकॉर्डिंगली कोई एक वैल्यू आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे. सिमिलरली वी डिड द क्लोजिंग एंट्री. देन बच्चों अभी तक की हमारी एंट्री ट्रांसफर ऑफ नेट प्रॉफिट की सॉल्यूशंस में पहले पोजीशन पे आया करती थी, बट अब ये थोड़ी सी नीचे खिसक गई है बिकॉज वी हैव टू अकाउंट फॉर चार्जेस फर्स्ट एंड देन आइटम्स ऑफ अप्रोप्रिएशन. तो चिल्ड्रन, द एंट्री फॉर ट्रांसफर ऑफ नेट प्रॉफिट इज पीएल अकाउंट डेबिट टू पीएल अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ कमीशन वॉज 33,000, तो बच्चों नेट प्रॉफिट अब जो ट्रांसफर होगा इट विल बी 3,30,000 minus 33,000 becomes 2,97,000. And children, if the commission account was 30,000, commission amount was 30,000 rupees, so the net profit correctly to be transferred now to PL appropriation account will be 3,30,000 minus 30,000 comes to 3 lakh. तो बच्चों दोनों में से कोई एक वैल्यू आएगी. Then children, we'll be having the other entries for the items given as per deed. बच्चों एक बात पे आपको बहुत ध्यान देना है, हमने इस वीडियो में स्टार्टिंग में बात की थी कमीशन पेबल टू लक्ष्मण. बच्चों आपको नजर आ रहा होगा एट द टॉप लाइन हियर, कमीशन पेबल टू लक्ष्मण वाज 10% ऑन नेट प्रॉफिट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, सर विच नेट प्रॉफिट वील कंसिडर? क्या हम 330 लेंगे, क्या हम 297 लेंगे, क्या हम 3 लाख लेंगे? बच्चों नेचुरली ट्रू, हम 330 नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज द रॉन्ग इन्फ्लेटेड प्रॉफिट. Either we'll take 2,97,000 for the purpose of calculating Lakshman's commission, और बच्चों हम 3 लाख लेंगे. डिपेंड करता है क्वेश्चन में मैनेजर की कमीशन के बाद आपका नेट प्रॉफिट करेक्ट कितना आ रहा है. तो चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट एंट्री आपकी डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट की है. एज वी नो कि हम एंट्री डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट की किया करते थे. देन चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर पीएल अकाउंट फर्स्ट. तो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पीएल अकाउंट. यू कैन से first and foremost you write net profit on the credit side which was available in the question, then commission on the debit side either 33,000 or 30,000 depending the case whether it was before charging or after charging. Children, we'll get correct net profit now 297 or 3 lakhs which will now be posted to PL appropriation account. So children, now we have PL appropriation account in front of us. By PL net profit brought down, we have transferred the amount of correct net profit. Then interest on drawings in the usual manner, 4% of 20,000 is 800. Then we have interest on capital for Ram and Lakshman. Then we have salary. Children, be attentive. The commission calculation for Lakshman, if it is given 10% on net profit, we will take these correct net profits, children, that is either 2,97,000 or 3 lakhs, and we'll get the value of commission. Then children, we'll calculate divisible profits. Children, as it was told in the previous video, for interest on partners loan, we have an alternative approach here also. Either you prepare PL account as well as PL appropriation, दोनों बनाने हैं. If you do not want to prepare both, आप एक बना के भी काम चला सकते हो. In PL appropriation, you write inflated profit in the inner column. Then manager's commission, getting correct net profit. Same way, interest on drawings on the credit, interest on capital on the debit, salary, Lakshman's commission on the debit, resulting into divisible profits. तो बच्चे या तो आप दोनों चीज बनाओ, PL as well as PL appropriation, या तो बच्चे आप सिर्फ PL appropriation बनाओ. Both are equally correct. Then children, preparation of partner's capital account is in the same manner under fluctuating and fixed method like we have studied in the previous videos. As such, there is no change in them. Thereafter children, you know the structure of journal entries. आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होगा